Today, we have some exciting news about Apple's upcoming iPhone 16 and its accessory lineup. Apple seems poised to introduce a new range of cases, potentially replacing the much-discussed FineWoven cases. Let's dive into what we know so far about these new leather cases and what they might mean for iPhone users. First, let's revisit the FineWoven cases. Introduced as a more sustainable alternative to traditional leather, they didn't quite resonate with consumers. Despite feeling nice to the touch, users reported issues like easy scratching, staining, and snagging on pockets. The overall response was mixed, leading Apple to rethink their strategy. According to renowned leaker Majin Buu, Apple is planning to replace the FineWoven lineup with new cases possibly made from a different, yet-to-be-named material, perhaps even vegan leather. Buu has shared images of these rumored new cases on social media, and they seem to retain the familiar color palette of the FineWoven line. We can expect to see colors like black, blue, dark purple, green, and taupe, with the addition of a new light gray option. So if you liked the colors available with the FineWoven cases, you'll have those choices plus some new ones to consider. Buu also shared an image that was initially thought to be the packaging for these new cases. However, it was later revealed to be a photo of existing Chinese knockoff cases. While the design leaks are intriguing, we should take them with a grain of salt until we receive official confirmation from Apple. The leaked images show a variety of cases for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, including maroon and brown options in addition to the previously mentioned colors. This suggests that Apple is aiming to offer a broad selection for users looking to protect their devices in style. Majin Buu, known for their mixed track record, has accurately predicted some features in the past, like the camera placement on the iPad, but has also had some misses, such as the claim about the iPhone 15 featuring two front-facing cameras. So, while these new cases could potentially be a game-changer, we should stay cautious until Apple makes an official announcement. In conclusion, Apple seems ready to move past the FineWoven cases with a new line of leather cases that could offer a better user experience while retaining popular color options. If these materials live up to the hype, it could be a welcome change for iPhone enthusiasts. What are your thoughts on this potential new direction for Apple's cases? Are you excited to see what they have in store? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all the latest updates on the iPhone 16 and its accessories. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned for more exciting news and leaks as we approach the iPhone 16 launch. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Information Update. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest tech news. Today, we've got exciting news about the upcoming iPhone 16e, launching on February 19th. Apple is set to introduce a more affordable version of its flagship iPhone, offering a blend of powerful features at a lower price point. Rumors suggest it will come with an upgraded camera system, a faster chip, and improved battery life, all in a sleek design. The iPhone 16e is expected to start at around $699, making it a great option for those who want premium features without breaking the bank. As we get closer to the release date, more details will emerge, but for now, we can expect some exciting changes. What do you think of the iPhone 16e? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more updates.
Today, we're diving into the latest information about Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 series. While the anticipation builds, we've just uncovered some details about the charging speeds for the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus that might leave you a little underwhelmed. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about what we've learned regarding the charging capabilities of the Galaxy S25 lineup. Earlier this month, it was announced that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature 45-watt wired charging. This is exciting for power users who want to juice up their devices quickly. However, there's a catch when it comes to the standard models, the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus. According to the China Compulsory Certification or CCC, the Galaxy S25 has a maximum charging speed of 25 watt, utilizing a 9V and 2.77A configuration. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S25 Plus supports charging speeds up to 45 watt, but that's only reminiscent of its predecessor, the S24 Plus. This means essentially that if you're looking for an upgrade in charging speed for the base model, you'll be disappointed. It's the same as last year's Galaxy S24. Now, what does this mean for Samsung's position in the smartphone market? It's a bit disappointing to see that Samsung is lagging behind other Android brands in this aspect. Even Apple is caught up by offering 45-watt charging with its iPhone 16 lineup. And here's the kicker. By January 2025, Apple's new iPhones will likely feature faster charging speeds than the Galaxy S25, which remains tethered at just 25 watt. For many users seeking quick recharges, this may lead them to consider alternatives from competitors who are pushing the envelope on charging technology. It raises the question, is Samsung resting on its laurels? Switching gears, we also got some intriguing insights about the internal codenames for this new series. According to Galaxy Club, Samsung refers to the Galaxy S25 lineup by the codename Paradigm. You might remember that the Galaxy S23 was codenamed Diamond, and the S24 was labeled Eureka. So what does Paradigm mean in this context? The word paradigm refers to a model, archetype, or standard. This might suggest that Samsung sees the Galaxy S25 as not just another smartphone, but as a possible new standard in a mobile industry. Now, what can that mean for consumers? The Galaxy S24, with its Eureka codename, was the first to introduce Galaxy AI features that Samsung touted as revolutionary. If the Galaxy S25 is being branded as Paradigm, we could be looking at a device that sets new benchmarks, not only in performance and features, but perhaps also in design. Interestingly, early leaks suggest that while the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus may not look drastically different from their predecessors, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to adopt a new design language, with rounder corners and a flatter frame. Could this change in design be what Samsung perceives as a paradigm shift? In summary, as we await the launch of the Galaxy S25 series, the lack of charging speed upgrades for the standard models is a bit of a letdown, particularly when compared to competitors. However, the internal codename of Paradigm raises some exciting possibilities for the future of the S25 lineup. Will it blend innovative features and improved design to set a new standard in the smartphone market? Only time will tell. What are your thoughts on these charging speeds? Do you think Samsung is falling behind its rivals, or is there something more exciting in store for us with the Galaxy S25? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.